What's happening, guys? Today I want to show you a sales funnel that has done over $30 million in the last 2 or 2.5 years or so. All right, so let's hop right in here and I'll walk through this funnel breakdown and why it's so successful. What we have here is a squeeze page, squeeze/sales page, and I'm just gonna walk through this and dissect it and show you what I'm looking at, okay? So this is a headline. It says very clearly what the customer is gonna get, their 8-ounce collapsible survival cup and free shipping, the value prop, when they order today. So some scarcity there, right? They have a picture of the product here. And what I like about this letter, or this page, is, you know, it's written in the format of a letter to whoever is reading it, right? So from Bryce, like a testimonial email kind of. And it has just pictures and images that go into what the benefits of this cup are, right? So this is visual imagery that's showing how to use the cup. And tells them what it's for: boiling water, drinking, collecting wild edibles, I don't even know what that is, and much more. It shows that you can attach it to your backpack, right, which is probably important to the people that are buying it. Compares the size next to a can. This is pretty genius too, so people know relative to, you know, some other object that they're familiar with, what the size of it is, right? It goes into more of the benefits here. Let's see what else we can go over. Okay, here, social proof. Now, I like what they did here. I really like what he did. He has, I believe he sold this product on Amazon in 2016 and 17, and he got the reviews from Amazon and posted it on his page. Now, I know if you're dropshipping, if you're new to this, you might be thinking, how do I get social proof if I don't have customers yet, right? Well, you can go into the if you're doing AliExpress dropshipping, you can find the product in AliExpress, go to the product reviews tabs, and there should be a bunch of customers leaving photo reviews, which, you know, I've used in the past. They also leave text, and since it's the same product, I don't see any issue with using those reviews, right? Because it's for the product. As long as it's for the product that you're selling, it should be okay to use, right? So I really like what they did here. With the Amazon reviews, a lot of social proof. They have a video here. I don't want to play it just because, actually we can play a little bit of it while I talk. But a video like this, a video review, a video demonstration, you can either just order the product yourself and do it at home, or there's people you can hire on sites like Upwork or Fiverr for, you know, I've hired people for as little as like $15, where I send them free product and they do like a video testimonial for me, kind of like this, what you're seeing on the screen, right? So that's a few of the things I really like. You know, again, we have the headline, we have the format of the copy. It's written like a personal letter or personal email to the person reading it. A lot of pictures showing demonstration. It doesn't just show the product, it's showing how they use it, right? So this one's showing how they collapse it. This one's showing like this is just like a regular product photo. This shows how they can attach it for portability. This shows the size of it. I'm guessing these are all questions that customers must have been asking them. So they showed pictures to take those limiting beliefs and limiting questions out of the sales process, right? So they don't have to ask these questions. They also have social proof here, right? Which I said you can get from AliExpress. You can get reviews for the same product as long as it's the same product. That should definitely increase your conversion rate. And they also have a product demonstration video here, right? Which I said you can get on Fiverr. You can do it yourself. You can ship product yourself and just film like on an iPhone or something doing this kind of stuff, right? Anyone can do this. It's super, super easy, right? And if you don't want to do it, pay someone $15 to do it for you, $15 to $25. All right, so once you click here, it goes to this order form page, and right here you can see they have a really nice banner with a call to action. Claim yours now. It shows the benefits, again, what it does. Boils water. You can use it as storage. You can clip it to anything. Here's a nice little GIF or GIF, however you say that, of how they're pouring water into it and then collapse. And then over here, they have another demonstration video, common Q&As. So this is, again, questions that people and customers are probably asking over and over. So they want to knock out those limiting beliefs, limiting questions, and make the buying process as easy as possible, and as easy as a decision as possible for whoever looks at this page, right? More social proof here, more Amazon reviews. And over here you can see though, this is a 2-step order form. Again, this is all through Clickfunnels, right? And it's a 2-step order form, and they don't just, this is why this is so cool, right? They don't just offer just one survival cup, right? Not just one cup. They offer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Now, I'm guessing that this is probably the one they want you to buy